Come one, come all. We are going to the masquerade ball. Nah, not really. But have any of you ever been to a masquerade ball? Because I haven't, and I would love to go to one. In case you're wondering, I'm wearing this mask because I'll be using this for a little project today. This reminds me of 50 Shades. Christian, I love you, Master. Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Tamisha and welcome to my channel. I got that out of the way because it was really distracting, even to me. As per the title says, we will be working on sunglasses today. I was going through some sunglasses online and I found a pair from Dolce & Gabbana which cost about 400 USD, which is equivalent to 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees just for one pair of sunglasses. So I thought we can create a similar design using what we have got at a much cheaper rate, and I can promise you none of it will cost more than 250 rupees. There is a lot of difference between 250 and 25,000. So let's get started. I'll show you what all is required for today's project. Some pairs of sunglasses, obviously, one of which is broken. I'll see what can be done about that. I got some pair of tweezers, some Fevikwik. You can get any glue, in fact. I just went to a material shop and told them to give me one to stick on plastic and cloth. A pair of scissors, the mask, obviously, and 2 pairs of earrings. I just bought them randomly because an idea had popped in my head. And some glitters. Wow. We'll be requiring this one today. We'll be using the rhinestones and the ceramic flowers that you can see over here in pink. I tried sticking it with Fevikwik. I went out and I tried to find a replacement, but I couldn't find the exact one or anything similar in cheap range. So I decided to forego that plan. But I will show you how to do it just with the frame. Bear with me. Isn't this pretty? Ow! I mean, the handle is broken. I have only one handle left. I stuck it with Fevikwik, and the other one, you can see it's missing. I think it turned out marvelous. I mean, it's a pretty simple design. You just have to stick rhinestones on the edges, and it's crooked because it's missing a handle. You have a masterpiece! The second pair that we will be working on is this one. Right here. So, are you ready to see the outfit? Look at that! Oh yes! Oh my god! I feel like a princess! I think if you pair it with a sundress during summers, it's gonna work out really good. This reminds me of Katy Perry's California Girls. The next pair that we'll be working on is this one right here. It's a cat-eye pair of sunglasses. I separated these leaves from the earrings using a tweezer. I just had to pluck them out from the rings. This one is our next glasses that I have modified. As you can see, I have stuck a rhinestone over here so that the joining portion, the joining part cannot be seen. And it is very simple, yet not over the top and still a little cute. For the next one, I'm going to improvise a little more. I'm not going to stick the mask as it is on the glasses, so I'll cut it out from here, this portion. I don't want this, and a little bit from here and the below portion as well. I just want the lace on top going like this over the glasses. So this is all that's remaining after I cut it out, and we'll be sticking this on the top half of the glasses. This is the next one, the lace, and I've added some pearls over it to make it look better, but I honestly can't say if it has gotten better or worsened. I think it's okay. If I was going to a hipster ball or something, I'm sure Lady Gaga would have rocked it. That will be all for today's video, and if you liked it, then as always, give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you! Until then, take care. Bye!